Easy to install, great protection. Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector, compatible with Apple Watch Series 6, say Series 5, Series 440 form black. This Misxi 2-pack hard is sold by Misxi. Compatible model, compatible with Apple Watch Series 650 Force 40 form, also compatible with 2022 new Apple Watch Say 40 form. Overall protection. This case with glass screen protector is designed to offer external surface protection to your watch without compromising usability. Easy to install, super easy to install for its snap-in design to avoid taking the straps off first. Kindly tip: if you forget to take it off, you can wipe it out with a cloth or wipes. What you get: 2x high performance PC hard case, dry and wet wipes. 4.5 out of 5 stars. The Misxi 2-pack hard has a total of 114,106 reviews. Product linked in the description below. The first comment is from Joseph D. Easy to install, great protection. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I bought the Misxi 2-pack hard PC case with tempered glass screen protector for my Apple Watch Say first generation about 6 months ago. I have only used one so far and it's held up well. There are several very minor surface scratches, probably from cleaning it too roughly. I don't baby this protector, after all. It's supposed to protect, right? I wear my watch every day, only taking it off for an hour or so each morning to charge. I wear it while working in the yard, going for hikes everywhere, and it gets bumped, smacked, hit, struck, and dropped. Not a mark on my watch. The frame of the protector still looks great. Moisture from washing my hands, rain, sweaty workouts do get between the watch and protector, but it is easy to remove, wipe dry, and replace. It works for what I bought it for, and I recommend it highly. This comment is from Brian H. Lee. Just put it on, looks good so far. Was easy to put on. 4.0 out of 5 stars. So far so good. It was easy to install. The touch screen is responsive. The pink finish is nice, almost can't tell it's an add-on. We will see how well it holds up. This is for my 9-year-old first watch. From the picture I thought I was receiving 2 pink protectors. But it's only one pink and one clear. I don't know if the description was changed after, but looking now it does say 11 and not 2 pink. Probably I rush careless in ordering. But overall I'm happy. This comment is from Dan. Does its job. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I'm pretty unmindful of my arms, often swinging them about when doing work on projects. For that reason I purchased this 2-pack and ended up soon hitting something hard enough to sustain a crack. From the point of impact, a fissure was created down through its center. Nonetheless, it stayed installed and by doing so protected my watch. Also, the screen touch response seems excellent. I don't notice any detriment to watch functionality due to the use of this protector. All in all, I'm satisfied with this cover and have in fact ordered another pair. This comment is from Ra. Great screen protector. 4.0 out of 5 stars. I recently finally got an Apple Watch and figured the only way the screen is gonna survive is if I get some protection. I work at a job that I'm constantly lifting, moving, bumping into things, so I was a bit hesitant when I made the decision to buy a watch. So far it has done the job perfectly, bumped and scraped it a few times against things, and it just simply does its job. Glad it comes as a pair just in case. My only issue is, and pretty minor one, the way the plastic is made or the way it appears. It's not totally clear. There is some transparent dots. I'm assuming from the way it was made, but you really only notice maybe in direct sunlight. Another thing I may recommend is that when you need to wash your hands, just take off your watch. When you wash your hands with them on, fire prone to getting some water underneath, between the screen and the watch itself, resulting in some condensation later on. Easily fixed if you pop it off and wipe the inside clean. Again, up to you if you rather do that or just simply take off while washing hands. This comment is from Anna Barnes. Great protection for the price. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I have ordered these on several occasions. I use them for my kids' Apple Watches and for my husband's Apple Watch because he works in constructions and his screen was always getting scratched. They protect the glass, and if my child or husband drops their watch or accidentally hits it, the cover will take the impact, sometimes breaking. And that's what it's supposed to do. So for the price, and that you can buy 2 at a time, makes it an easy purchase to replace. The only downside would be that water can get trapped under the cover if you swim or shower with your Apple Watch on. So you would need to remove it before doing any water activity. This comment is from R. Lynn. Best watch protector I have found. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I tried every kind of protector for my Apple Watch 6, and this is the best by far. The bumper style protector did not protect the watch face, and I got a few scratches as a result. I added a film scratch protector, and it peeled off within days. I initially resisted buying this model thinking it would be too bulky, but it was a choice I now regret. It turns out that it adds a minimal ONEM to the profile of the watch, and had I gotten this one first, there would be no scratches on my watch's face. The protector is not waterproof in the sense that water will seep in between it and the watch if submerged. That's no big deal. The protector is easy to remove, dry, and reattach. It can be done in a matter of seconds. I bought this protector in October 2021, and only this week did I finally have to replace it with the second of the 2 that come in the box. I banged my watch really hard, causing the edge of the protector to crack, but it did its job, and the watch was fine. I intend to keep my watch for as long as possible. So today I bought another set of these to have on hand a year from now if the one I just put on needs to be replaced. Until Apple figures out how to use traditional sapphire or something else as hard for their watch faces, save yourself some grief and get this protector. It's the best one I've found. This comment is from Clay Robeson. Worth its weight in gold. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I bought these originally because I wanted something inexpensive to cover my Apple Watch. It's a good fit and barely noticeable once it's installed. Recently, I was in a bike wreck and my watch wrist got dragged along the asphalt as I broke my arm. When I finally went through my bag of possessions after my hospital stay, I was crushed to see the Apple Watch destroyed by the accident. But then I remembered that there was a cover on it. When I removed case, the watch was pristine underneath. If I could give this thing 10 stars, I totally would. This comment is from D. Carney. Perfect cover for protection. 5.0 out of 5 stars. I bought this screen protector for my Apple Watch to protect the screen when I disc golf. It's very easy to place on and off my watch. This protector is intended to protect from scratches, not for keeping water out. Some reviews were negative. Water and perspiration will go between the watch face and the screen. This is the cover you will wear all the time. It's great for sport users and hikers. Works as intended. Touch screen works with ease with the protector on. No problems. Added perk comes with 2 in a pack. This comment is from Rob Thompson. Great protection, but watch is unusable if water gets behind it. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Installation is very simple. Fits snugly over my Apple Watch Series 6 and has never fallen off. Removal is simple as well, but not so easy that it falls off. I've had it for a couple of months and it is very scratch resistant. My biggest complaint is, and I'm sure it's similar with all watch protectors, while washing my hands or working with water, some will get behind the protector. Once water gets behind it, the Apple Watch becomes unusable until you remove the protector and dry it off along with the face of the watch. Pros: protective, scratch-resistant, easy removal, easy installation, fits securely. Cons: water under protector renders watch unusable. This comment is from Secret. Prevented scratches. 4.0 out of 5 stars. Prevent scratches. Easy to install. Would occasionally require removal due to moisture collection. First one crack led when watch fell on the face, so it saved me replacing my screen. Second one lost, I don't know when or how. I don't do hard work, so there's no way it would get dislodged. Just looked at my watch and the screen protector was missing. Overall did what's it supposed to do, but way too easy to fall off. Charging directly, don't need to take off the watch case. Comfortable and beautiful, its slimness and fit does not affect the aesthetics of the watch. Charging directly, don't need to take off the watch case. Product linked in the description below. Our first question is from Kathleen M. Griffiths. Does the paint chip off easily? I work in a factory and I've banged it up here and there over the past couple weeks with no visible damage whatsoever. I'd say no, the paint doesn't chip off easily. Question from Nanamama. Does moisture get under the screen? Yes, moisture gets under the protector, and it is sometimes difficult to see the watch face. The moisture often keeps the touch screen from responding. Question from Noah Talon. How do get it off? It is actually very simple. I use the same technique an Apple Store worker showed me to remove tight iPhone cases. I use the same technique an Apple Store worker showed me to remove tight iPhone cases. I lay the watch upside down on a soft surface, like a hand towel or a mouse pad. I lay the watch upside down on a soft surface, like a hand towel or a mouse pad. Then, I slide my fingers under the lip opposite to the crown. I gently hold that in place and or pull it away from the watch. We see more, it is actually very simple. I gently hold that in place and or pull it away from the watch while rotating the watch away from the lip. I grip the watch right where the band meets the metal to get a good grip. It pops right off. I can do it probably 4 times a minute. See less? Question from J. Vaughn. Does water get between the watch screen and the screen of the case near water X washing your hands? Unfortunately, yes. I accidentally wore my watch in the shower. Water did show up under the screen protector. I was able to press it off to the side, but this was just a couple of seconds where the watch was exposed to water. I'm more concerned now about sweat, etc. Question from Foster Brady. Hi, this Roger. So you can still touch for change settings. Hi Roger. You can still touch to use the watch. Question from Kathleen M. Griffiths. I work in construction. Will it be durable enough? Will anything sneak inside the case and end up scratching the watch? I work in a factory with lots of dust and fine debris, and I haven't had anything sneak under the case except water when I showered with it on. Question from Greg Smith. My screen cracked after only 2 months. How do I get a warranty replacement? Mine shattered on day 2. Seller took care of me very quickly. Question from Ali Hassan. Should you use a film screen protector first before you put this on, or do you just snap this on right over the watch glass itself? Thanks. You can just snap it on the watch glass itself. No screen protector required, as it is a protector itself. Question from Paul. Will this fit in Apple Watch 640 form? Cause the case says 54, not 6. Mine works on my Apple Watch 540 form. Specs for Series 6.1. 73x1. 73x1. 5x0. 5x0. 41 in 40 form. Specs for Series 5.1. 42 in 40 form. Question from Kyle T. Hunter. What is the hardness rating of the tempered glass? Mine cracked less than 24 hours of having on. I now have the Tory case and its glass has not cracked. And it's been almost 2 weeks. Go with Tory, not Misxi. Product linked in the description below. For more content like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you are notified of new uploads. We upload new videos every day. See you next time.